Yeah, that's a giant. It's a giant, boy.
What's up, bro? Potatoes? We're back at Lot G. Happy 4th of July, by the way. It's Independence Day again. We're back over here at Lot G for some daytime fishing finally. It's a pretty quiet morning. So we rigged up last night. I'm gonna spend a little time out here on the day finally, or in the day finally. Put some time in with some sunlight. See what we can hook into.
Ah, first cast. I found some fish over here. I'm talking about as soon as it hit the water, dude. I thought it was just pulling that hard because it's the mad lip on it.
Right.
Then I felt it tug. I was like, okay.
Alrighty, folks. So our first stop today on our Independence Day tour of Lot G is this nice little bank over here. It's got some nice structure on it. It's not too deep over here at all. And I don't know if y'all can tell by the bottom of these bushes. It's probably down 10 inches. We've had a lot of pop-up thunderstorms, which have been kind of heavy rain, but they've been real short-lived. Nothing stuck around and dumped a bunch of water. But even as shallow as this is, these fish like to get up in there and hang out. And as early as it is this morning, we're taking a more subtle approach. In case they haven't had their coffee yet. You know, we don't want to be rude. Go ahead, bud. Oh, I see what you're doing. Alright, we're going to put this one down and keep it for flipping. I should not be having that kind of trouble casting this thing. Switched up for a little bit, because as y'all can see, I was having technical difficulties with the old Lew's. So we switched up to the Abu, and I'm throwing that new Rap V by Rapala. This thing's nasty. At least it looks nasty. Metal blades on it. It's got a smaller profile than your regular lipless. But I mean, this thing's mean. I know y'all heard that reel start scream. There he goes. Nice, bit it. All right, well, let's see if he's down there still.
First bite, good.
Nice. Maybe that finesse isn't it yet. Look at him following up. I'm glad I kept rolling. On the pin too.
There we go.
He's a dark one too. Look at him. There you go. Nope, it's not. He was just in grass.
It's all right though.
Golly.
Dude, I don't care what the weather is. Chatterbait gets bit over here.
Okay. You know, I really appreciate you not tearing up the tail on that lure either, buddy. They are so much clearer back here. Just no color on them whatsoever. You barely see that lateral line. They look like different species of bass.
Thanks, dude.
There it is. I think he was still hungry. Yep, nope, it's different fish. Yep.
Right.
Today, folks. Yeah, totally had the camera off again. Yeah, but I did manage to pull another nice one in out of that little hangover right over there. And it's the second fish that deems worthy to be weighed this afternoon. Bo and I wanted to see in a 6 or 7 hour time frame, which is what most of the local you know, average Joe tournament times run around our area. Our best 5 fish. Yeah, look, you guys can see that 1 pound 12 ounce dead even. Man, he looks bigger than that. It's almost a 2 pound fish. I mean, he's 4 ounces away. Appreciate it, brother. Double hookup. Double hookup. I watched him take it. Double freaking hookup. That's what I'm talking about, and I'm not filming. Yep, that's all right. Today hadn't been the best day for it. You got big fish on me, though. It's warning me of a tropical depression. I'm tropically depressed because I'm stuck in the Georgia humidity and not at the beach. Shade, shade, everywhere there's shade. Hey, look, okay? It's your idea, but I'm catching all the fish. True. Okay, so I'll sit down and do it. That's fine. I'm just messing with you. There he is. Bo found him one. Get him in the boat. That's a good fish. But you got to put the scales on him. That's I got your pole, buddy. That's our first good one there, worthy of the scale. Well done, man. Heck yeah. And he swallowed it, didn't he? Roof of his mouth.
Mm-hmm. Here, do me a favor. Hold him by the mouth, and I'm gonna get my pliers out of my bag.
He's been beat up too. Hang on just a sec, dude. Let's see here real quick. There you go.
Got him?
Yep.
Good deal.
Look at that.
Right, you wanna weigh him too?
Yeah, I want to weigh him. I wonder what did that. That's a bite mark, dude. That's probably a turtle that attacked that fish. Look at that. There's bottom beak right there and top beak. I don't know if y'all can see that. Dude, you gotta be careful. Potatoes. So, gotta share with y'all again. I am a new proud member of the Favorite Army. This is the new Defender. Well, it's new to me, but it's the Defender series that they've got by Lunkers TV. 7'6", I think it is. Heavy action, fast tapered. It's nice. I love it. And then I was like, well, shoot, I need a skirt on it.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got a couple Z-Mans that I can split. And it works.
Nice.
You need to come up for air every now and then. He's getting chunky staying down there, but he's got no color on him.
Not much.
You're dragging whatever it is. I don't want to get popped in the head. I'm gonna sit down and just film from back here. Whoo, that seat is warm. I just heard drag go. It's a turtle, and I don't have my gun on me. Keep him up here. Hang on.
Oh my God.
Golly Moses. Folks, look at that big guy right there.
There's some footage.
Yeah.
God almighty.
Get him over here, buddy. Yeah, man. That's when you need your gun around so you can kill that thing. Get him out of there. Hang on. All right, bring me your line. I'm gonna see if, yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do this without getting popped.
God almighty, that was hurt.
Look at that, folks. Look at that right there. That one's ugly. Quit snapping on it, buddy. Hang on. I'm gonna try to help you out, big guy. Hang on. Don't give me the finger. You're not gonna pull it out that way. Hang tight. Hang tight. Hey, if we work together, we can accomplish this goal without you tearing up the skirt on that chatterbait. Is this braid?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Hey, big fella. Please don't roast us too bad in the comments if this portion of today's taping makes it to the World Wide Web. There are certain techniques that you will see Bo and I use. We are no way, shape, or form fluent in, but we are learning. And that's why we have not gone to fish tournaments yet, because we are still very much pupils in the sport of bass fishing versus just the Saturday boat trip to Jackson Lake. So be easy when you help give us constructive criticism, and please don't be shy too, because it's a pretty kick-ass community, and everybody seems to be willing to help everybody out. There are some pros that won't share any secrets with you, but
Look everywhere. Around. There you go. Well done. Not the corner, right?
Coming in hot.
That almost hit me in the ball. I was ready for it though. I wasn't gonna flinch.
going after this blade. Ribbit. Oh, I got lucky, baby. Look at that. Oh, give me a fish on that cast. Golly, what a flip. Golly, we've got to get some way to stand up on this boat, Bo. You make a very good point. That does put me in an advantage, buddy. I know it does. But I bet we could both do it if we were careful. It done got warm. Nah, Jonathan, come on now. There's no 2-pounders up there.
Get up too long. I haven't seen it yet, dude. This might be a decent one.
That's the better one, yeah.
How big is it? Really?
Look at all the teeth marks, and then I actually have teeth from the top side too. That's a good thing right there, buddy.
All right, Pond Pirates. It was a day. Wasn't our best day, wasn't our worst day, but we got on some fish, and you know, it is what it is.
We got another handful of them at the end. It got real hot. The shade started disappearing, so little pockets we could find here and there is where we consistently kept pulling them from. So
yep.
It got hot. We just had smaller areas that we were able to fish, and then we had to adjust different sides of the pond based on where the sun was at. So
Right.
But it was a good day. Overall, in a 6 or 7 hour tournament, we'd have come in pretty close to the last place, just based on average weight.
Being realistic, yeah.
Being realistic, but
We'll
I mean,
there.
given a little more time to go out and power fish this place like that, and hit certain spots like the shade, you know.
Yep.
I just think it's too hot, and I go
It
look
is hot as shit.
wherever I think you go deep. But no, man, shade and 2 foot of water, and we pulled out a dozen more fish in the last hour. So
Yep. Anyway, y'all,
yeah, we love
happy
you.
4th. We
we'll
love
see
y'all.
you back at the shop at some point tonight. But
Yeah, we'll see y'all here
love
shortly.
you guys.
Later. So
So,
we want to say happy 4th of
Literally
July
speaking, happy 4th of July.
to all of our Pond Pirates out there,
That's right.
and we're representing.
And thank you guys for your service to any and all those that it applies to.
Here we go.
That was worth 20 bucks. That's fantastic.
You know what everybody's shooting right now, right? Same damn thing we are. It's 20 bucks for a dozen mortars at Walmart. 3 years ago, these were illegal in Georgia. That's freaking brilliant.
Right.
That's awesome. Here you go.
Yeah, that was
Take
worth 20
that.
bucks.